For the back squats, you're going to get under the barbell, go through, and then put the barbell on the top of your traps. It should be sitting there quite comfortably. Right, you're going to place your hands wider than shoulder width. It should be nice and comfortable as well. You're going to take a step back, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. You're going to look straight ahead. Brace your midlines, you're going to be squeezing those abs, squeezing those glutes in the top position. You're going to breathe in and expand your belly. And you're going to push your butt back and down to squats. And then bounce out of the bottom position and stand. Okay, again, squat. Pull your hips down towards the ground and then come up fast. It should be slow on the way down and fast on the way up. Okay, so slow on the way down, pull your hips to the ground and then bounce out of the bottom position. For the breathing technique for the back squat, you need to expand your belly and lock your core. Hold your breath as you squat. In the bottom position, you should feel as if it's expanded enough that it's touching the top of your inner thighs, and then you should be able to bounce out of that bottom position. Just like regular squatting mechanics, you want to have your weight in the middle of your foot, that is the top of your shoelaces. So you want to squat, keep your toes down, keep your heels down, and then you want to be able to drag through the heels as you stand. So for the squatting mechanics, when he's squatting, notice that he's shooting his butt back and down, but his knee positions are not going too far back. So his shins are not perfectly vertical. We're trying to achieve that full depth for the functional squats. So he's going more of a straight down motion, except he's still loading the hips more than his knees. So in the bottom position, his weight is in the midfoot, his knees are slightly forward, knees are tracking over the toes and in line with the toes as he squats. Right, he's looking straight ahead and he's going to come out of that bottom position. Again, he's going to squat straight down, hips back and down, and then drive through the heels as he stands. So you don't want to feel like you're going to come onto your toes and fall forward. You don't want to feel like you're going onto your heels and falling backwards. You should be squatting straight back and down. So you're squatting straight down and up with the weights tracking over the middle of your foot. Alright, these are your back squats.